Hello, it's Ultimate Mario. Welcome back to another video. Today, I'll be showing you how to get custom skin packs on the PS3 version of Minecraft without having to jailbreak your PS3. You can do this on any model, but not everyone will be able to do this because you have to back up your entire PS3 on a flash drive in order to do this, and so for that you need a flash drive that can hold your PS3, and that's usually not a problem if you have like PS3 with left storage. But if you have one of those PS3s with like 300 gigabytes, then and you've like used up a bunch of it, then you're gonna need a really expensive big flash drive. Special thanks to Dr. Squid's. Hang on, let me check it. Dr. Squidcat Sigma for making the actual working tutorial on YouTube. I'll leave his YouTube down in the description, and special thanks to Panty John for showing me that video so I can actually use it and get this working. So link to him as well in the description, as well as the card. If you are like under 14, you don't know what you're doing, I recommend asking a parent for help, or just waiting until you know what you're doing, because I don't want you guys to accidentally break your PS3 or get banned, which might possibly happen but shouldn't. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into this. So what you want to do is you first want to take your flash drive and put it in your computer. Then you want to open this up. Wait for it to show up. Here it is. So what you want to do is right click it. I recommend making sure everything's off there just so you have as much storage as you need. So you can go ahead and delete anything that's there, or what you could do instead. Oh wow! What you could do instead is you don't have to, but you could format it. And what you want to do is check to see, make sure it says FAT32, because PS3 only reads FAT32. If it is, then just you don't have to format it, but you can do it to get rid of everything. But if it doesn't appear, then there might be some way to format it to FAT32. But if it's like this for some reason, just switch to this and click format. If it's already like that, you don't have to. Then what you want to do is simply just don't like go somewhere like this. Right click and go ahead and eject. That's how you actually eject flash drives, people. And then once you've done that, what you want to do is go to the PS3, and I'll meet you back there. PS3, isn't it great when you don't have a capture card? But yeah, obviously you gotta turn on your PS3. Just go ahead and select your profile, turn on the controller, like that. And then, so what you want to do, you don't have to sign in. You don't need PlayStation Network for this either, by the way. So what you want to do is go to System Settings. Actually, what I recommend you do first is, like, it's optional, but like sign in and sync your trophies, because if you don't, then you might lose your trophies. But if they're already synced, you don't have to. And you also want to make sure that Minecraft is fully updated. By the way, this works on both the PS3 digital and disc version. I'll be doing the disc method in this tutorial, but the digital version works too. The disc is easier and recommended. Okay, so I recommend updating Minecraft if it's not already up to date. Looks like it is, so just go ahead and get out of here. I might as well just show that no, I don't have any custom skins on here. Completely vanilla, non-modded. See, no custom skins. Okay, so now what you want to do, the camera, well, 2 times I just failed. It was stupid. So what you want to do is click on System Info. I won't, because it shows my MAC address, and I've like done that twice now. It's freaking stupid. So yeah, just go to the System Info, and it'll show how much space you have left, and do the math, and if it'll fit on your flash drive. Even if not, just go to Backup Utility, and then click Back. Oh wait, make sure you got your flash drive, and then put it in your PS3. By the way, I'm using the fat model. I'm very sure this works on the slim and very slim model. Trophies will not be backed up. That's kind of what I said. Oh crap. Back up. Click yes. and then click yes to make it back up on your storage device. Got 29 gigs. And then so basically it's going to prepare, and you're going to please wait. You gotta wait. And then so basically it's going to take a while, so you can just go ahead and go back on the computer, and we need to install some things. Okay, back on the computer, you want to go in the description of this video and download some few things. First thing you want to download is PSN stuff. Go ahead and download. Then just go next. Next, what you want to do is go to unfortunately Mega is so slow. So here, let's do some last. I recommend doing that one first. So these are different tabs. You want to download PKG View. For some reason, Mediafire opens up a little thing. Make sure you close that because it seems to be dangerous. I'm not sure what it does. Probably not good things. So yeah, then Mega sucks. It's so slow. If you people who are making links to Mega, just use Mediafire. It's way better. So yeah, just go ahead. This is small, so it won't take so long. But like this takes forever usually. There you go. And then once you've done that, you're pretty much done. Don't close the browser because you're watching this video. Oops. Yeah, that's where I got the links. So yeah. Then after you download all those, I hope they actually downloaded. Yeah, PKG View. And you make sure you've got everything. So then I guess, why is it always stupid thing keeps on downloading to? I hope it better not be dragging into here. Oh, whatever. So yeah, for some reason, why does Mega do that? Okay, so make a folder anywhere really, and then call it like PS3 custom skins. And then like just you can put it on your desktop, you can put it in your downloads. It doesn't have to be. It doesn't have to say custom skins, whatever that means. I put you over here. There. Probably dragging there. I was trying to get things to work like emulators. Okay, so what you want to do is go in here, then just move these around so you can actually see. I guess like drag this here, get the things. This stuff. You're gonna need this stuff. So I guess what you want to do is extract this stuff. So let's see, extract files. I'm using WinRAR because it actually is better than 7-zip. Oops. Oh wait, don't even use that. Just if it's a zip, you can just. By the way, pro tip: if you're using what is it? A zip file, don't use WinRAR. Use Windows Explorer. That's what it's made for. Just wait for it to finish. You can get rid of the zips afterwards. There we go. Delete these things. Or remove them to the recycle bin. Okay, so now what you want to do is go to PSN stuff. Go ahead and run this file. There we go. Okay, so now what you want to do is get yourself the, well, you want to find Minecraft. But depending on where you live, this could be different. So I didn't prepare it properly, so I'll be right back. Okay, there we go. So yeah, depending on where you live and whether you have the disc or not, you want to put whichever numbers of these you. If you have the US version of Minecraft and you have the disc version, then you do use this one, like me. If you live in the US and you downloaded it from the PlayStation Store, you'd use this one. If you live in the UK, disc or the Sony Store, you get it with these. Just check in the description just in case if any of these are incorrect. They removed annotation, so I can't improve it in the video. So just in case, look inside the description and see if if you see a different number, then use that one instead. So then what you want to do is just go ahead and put that number in. So yeah, it'd be so for me BLUS31426. Oh yeah, make sure you go to Game Updater, then put that in. Should have said that. There we go. And apparently, as I saw in this, what you want to do is don't download the current version, but download the one before the current version. Not so sure why, but that's what works. So whatever is the current version, make sure you do a version below. Then just wait for it to download. Just like this. Shouldn't take too long. There you go. Once that's done, you can go ahead and close it. So I go to update, and then now we're gonna need PKG view. Wait for it to open. Then what you want to do is go to File, Open. Yeah. Excuse if this shows up a lot during the video. Yeah. Ignore this. It's just Komodo being very paranoid that it's dangerous. It's not. It's if it's telling me it's dangerous, and if I don't use dangerous stuff on my computer because I love this computer and shut up. And if it broke, that'd be very, very bad. So yeah, I wouldn't just use random programs on here because that'd be dumb. And I know this works. What was it? Oh, desktop. PS3 custom skiz. So yeah, what you want to do is go to PS stuff, update, and then you want to click on this, and then if you have Komodo, just click allow. I absolutely hate it when it does that. There we go. And then so now what you have to do is extract it. Right click this part and click extract. Then go to wherever you want it. So I guess I'll do it in PS3 custom skiz. There you go, you just gotta wait. And this can take quite a while, so I'll be back. That actually didn't take too long. There you go, once that's done you can go ahead and close it, and you see right here we have the things you just saw, DLC, all this stuff. So then what you want to do is you need Minecraft as well. That'll be in the description. Thankfully I have it installed already, but yeah, just get Minecraft. Downloads. No, that's not where it is. I might as well just go. Geez, when you can't access when you don't know where your own files are, you know that you're not doing good. So yeah. Oh, I'm sorry. It's PCK Studio now, not Minecraft. So yeah, you can go ahead. You want to create the skin pack, so quickly go in here. That program should be opening. So yeah, go to this DLC, and then what you want to do is create a folder, and then call it whatever you want. There we go. And then what you want to do is go to create new skin pack, and bam, you're going to want some skins. So I was prepared, but I did not. Whatever. I'll be back. There we go. I have made a masterpiece. Also, one thing to make sure that you do. I'm not sure why this happens, and I don't even know why it happens only on PS3. But if you have, unless you're doing custom model, but even then, if you have like random like bits of like drawings outside with the actual skin, for some reason in the game it'll appear black and white, even if it's got like magnificent looking colors like mine. It'll appear black and white in the game if there's anything outside here. This is the overlay, so this part is okay. But like here and here and here and here in this little area, it's gonna appear black and white if there's anything there. So make sure there's nothing there. Only on top of the arm, leg, and stuff. So yeah, if you're doing custom modeling, you like gotta make sure that there's nothing. You're only doing like if you put like model here, make sure you can put stuff there so like there's textures for the model, but make sure that it's only in that texture because otherwise it'll mess up. So yeah, then what you want to do is go to create skin. Always click server, even on PS3. Go ahead and click this, and then go over to wherever that file is, that skin. There we go, and then call it. Just call it whatever the skin is. Like this. There we go. And then when you've got your skin added, we can add more. I'll be right back again. Oh, there we go. I created a few other skins. Is it recording? Okay, good. So yeah, I've created a few more skins. There you go. Make sure you always click server. You should never click this. This is evil. This will kill you. You gotta do server all the time. There we go. You can have this. Oh yeah. Also, when it does this, it'll automatically do this for you. Okay, I'll be right back again. you can just play around with these. Well, actually, it's kind of difficult because you have to wait a few, like about a half an hour for it to install, depending on how much stuff you have. So yeah, this is like zombie arms, so you can have like a husk, like me. And then once you've done that, you can go ahead and save this. Oh wait, hang on, you haven't saved it yet. You gotta do save as. So then what you want to do is go over to wherever your thing is, PS3 custom skiz. Go to this DLC, whatever you want, and then just call it anything. .pck. There we go. You don't have to call it the word anything or like that. You just name whatever. Okay, so now that if you got your stuff installed and your skin packs done, look at your PS3, and if it's still going, like if it's still backing up, then just you can't actually do anything yet until your PS3 is done with the backing up. So yeah, I'll meet you back when it is done. Okay, one thing I almost forgot about that is very important, and why this is about to fail in the video, but if you make sure you do this correctly, it won't fail. So what you want to do is go to 0, where you see pack ID, it'll say 000. That's bad, that's the default skin pack. And if it's like this, it'll do absolutely nothing. It'll show up a blank skin pack with no name, and it'll just show you the default skins. You have to change this to something like that, or if you know what you're doing, you can do like 4 letters, 4 numbers. Just make sure you don't get it to be mixed up with a different skin pack. So try something like over 2,000. Check in the description in case this is a dumb idea. Okay, so yeah, make sure you do this, otherwise you'll screw up. While you wait for your backup to finish backing up, why don't you go check out some of my other videos? They're pretty cool. You should give them a chance. And your backup's probably not near done, so there'll be something to do while you wait. 3 is done backupping or backing up. What you want to do is like just press circle, and then you'll take it back to this, and then you should have your basically everything back onto your flash drive. What you want then after this, you're okay to take out your flash drive, and then go ahead and just put it in your computer, and then we'll go back to the computer. And then you just have to, once you just put it in, you'll see you can go through this, and you've got like numbers, and you've got all this, which is your backup. One thing you can do, but it's entirely optional, is like copy this and like put it somewhere like downloads or desktop or documents. So that way, in case if you mess up, you can simply install your normal backup and it should fix everything. So yeah, but I'm not going to, because even that takes like another while for it to copy. But after that, what you want to do, or even if you don't do it, when you put in your flash drive, what you want to do is go over. Is this recording? Okay, good. And what you want to do is go back, go to Pexploit Lite, and then run this program. For some reason, if you have like an antivirus program or something like that, it'll probably pop up saying this thing is dangerous. It's going to destroy everything. That's what it does for me usually. Hey, good, not this time. So yeah, what you want to do is then go to wherever your skins are. Why isn't this working? Lag. Go to PS3 custom skiz. This DLC. No. What am I? Oh no, this is backup. Never mind. That go to your flash drive. Go to this. By the way, if your flash drive doesn't have, like mine has like 15 gigabytes left over. If yours doesn't have at least like maybe 5 or 6 gigabytes still left over, I was waiting for that. Like if your if flash drive doesn't have a few gigabytes left over, then make sure you copy this onto your computer if your computer has room, and then do it from there, because otherwise it won't have enough room and it won't work. And you can turn on music too. Sounds pretty cool. And then after that, what you want, music's optional. Go to wherever your thing is. For me, it's desktop PS3 skiz. That's probably never gonna get old, at least not for me. Then click on like whatever the numbers from earlier, like BLUS 31426 for the disk US version. Click on that and then click OK. There we go. And then once you've done that, click patch and go, and then just wait. And then when it's gonna basically add the custom the custom skins and add it to your backup. You're modifying your backup basically. And then so this might take a while depending on how much you're adding and how big your backup is. So I'll be back. Duplicates have been cleared. That's a keeper. Okay, once that's done, you'll get this message. So this little thing down there if you're on Windows 10. Then you just gotta click OK and you can close this out. And this will be modified and you'll see the extra files. Don't mess with any of this, just go back and use our pro tip from earlier and right click and click eject. Make sure you do that, otherwise you're messing it all up and things will explode. After that you can take out your flash drive. And then for our final time we'll head over on the PS3. On the PS3 again, what you want to do is just simply, if you've turned it off, turn it back on. And if not, just leave it. Or no, don't leave it, just let it stay on. What you want to do is take your flash drive that you just took out of your computer and then put it in your PS3. When your flash drives don't work. Whee! It's my desk lovey. Someone came in my room. So yeah, what you want to do is go to System Settings, go back to Backup Utility, and then with the flash drive in, click Restore. And click Yes. Click this. And then you'll please wait. And you want to make sure you tap this one. Do Yes. And then you get to wait. Well, now it's formatting. But it'll install all of the current stuff, so yeah, just go ahead and all the stuff on the flash drive. So basically, it's formatting and then putting the stuff back on. So yeah, and then once it turns back on, it's going to start the restoring process of flash drives. And then press the PS button on your controller, which is like this button. And then you get to wait. For me, it'll be about maybe 30 or 35 minutes. And then for you, it could be different. Like it could be like something like maybe a few minutes, a few hours, whatever it is. Just wait it, and then afterwards come back. Well, maybe while you wait, you can go and check out my channel. If you go to my channel and go to featured channels, a bunch of different channels of like my friends online, and they've got some pretty cool videos, and they can keep you occupied, and they can stop you from being completely bored while you wait for your PS3 to restore your backup. So once it's done restoring your backup, it'll ask you to press the X button. Just go ahead and press the X button. Then it'll turn back on, reset, and then it'll rebuild the database on system storage. So I do that. This won't take an hour or however long it will. This will take about maybe something like 10-15 seconds, less than a minute. That wasn't even 10 seconds, I don't think. It'll reset again. And after it's done resetting, it'll be done and you can go test it and see if everything looks right. There we go. Go ahead and select your profile. Also, by the way, all the trophies are gone. If you want to get them back, just sign in and just sync your trophies. And then what you want to do is, if you have the disc, just go ahead and put the disc back in. and if you have the downloadable version, then you have to go to the PlayStation Store and re-download it with whatever account bought it. Which would be, for me, it'd be my dad's account. And I can't access it, so I can't re-download it. So yeah, but with disk, you just put it in it. You don't have to do anything else. Right now, the downloadable version is a trial. And in order to fix that, you have to actually edit. You have to re-download it. Then after this is done, loading, just go to your skin packs and you should find your custom skin pack. Don't worry about signing in. Also, Minecraft PS3 mods aren't actually as also can't do as many things as it can't do as many things as like the Wii U, because for some reason you cannot replace packs. You can only add ones. And oh crap, this is not good. Yeah. This is stupid. I know exactly what I did wrong. And make sure you do not do this, because you do not want to wait here a freaking hour for nothing. Really makes you mad. It makes me mad. It really annoys me. So yeah, I'll explain what I did wrong. I just imported my other skin packs to show you that does work. Oh yeah, by the way, you can go to my website or like Noble does his website and download skin packs from there. My packs, most of them have all the working skins, and none of them are like replace other ones and mess up. Some of Noble Dez's skin packs, they mess up other skin packs. Like for one, the blocks, his block skin pack makes it replaces like it overwrites some of the birthday skin packs and glitches out both skin packs for both skins. And the Enderman skin pack, one of the skins mess up one of the other Star Wars skins. So yeah, just so you know, and there might be some other issues, but mine I made sure that there's currently there's one skin with one of my packs. One skin doesn't look quite right, but I'm not sure how to fix it. This one I modified it so I wouldn't overwrite. So basically just fix this one. But yeah, see, look, I got a bunch of different skin packs, the birthday ones, my bottom settlers too. Let's see, 4th birthday, 5th birthday, this and this can be found on my website. Also, on Noble, there's a website. We both have a mob skin pack. We made it together. There's two skins that don't, well, two main skins that don't look right. I fixed this one, and this one would overwrite one of the other birthday skins. So, if you're gonna download the mob skin pack, make sure you download it from my site for the PS3 at least. Otherwise, this one's gonna be glitched, and this one's gonna be completely unusable. And yeah, here's one of the skins I tried to add. But yeah, I'll read you back on the computer now. Okay, that was how to get custom skins on Minecraft PS3 edition. If you like this, go ahead and leave a like so that way I know you liked it. If you really liked it, go ahead and subscribe so I know I should make more videos like this. And well, if this helped you out, then go ahead and tell everyone else that it helped you out, because then they know that it works. But without further ado, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!